So the snare must have piece of shrub that the wire is attached to, just to kind of loosen the wire around the neck. I feel bad because we're free. You can see it's shaking, it's freaking out. Poor thing. Oh, ashita. There you go, better. But I need the nuku. Let me look at like that. Go down only. Tini rumogin ajar dungan na ya. Bayar na gak pok. Oh, baby. Are you going to be able to go through it? Oh, nice. That too?
Watch what you're doing.
I've got a saw in the middle in one of these pockets.
Kevin.
That's already cut off.
I know.
Oh, you're just cutting it. Watch your feet. Don't get kicked in the mouth. Come on. Come on, baby.
Breath. You can walk. Hopefully the legs aren't broken. I want to snip it there.
How about you just pull it?
No, it's under its neck. Now we can pull it.
Don't kick me.
It's okay. You're free.
Get up.
You're free.
Get up. Come on.
This back leg is cut.
Yeah, maybe it's broken.
Could be. There's blood. Can you try? You can get up now.
Oh, the neck is broken.
Maybe. Can you get up? Tick on your eye. I'll help you with that.
Daddy, I have to go pee-pee.
Go behind the car and pee.
You can go right behind the car. Ooh, so short. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
get up.
Maybe try, lift the head.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Like if I could hold its ears, I'd pull it up. Come on.
Can you try?
Come on. You can do it.